Hi, today in front of me Cat S53 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail accounts on this device. So first launch the Gmail application, then tap on the right upper corner, and if you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail application, we should first log out from Google accounts on our device. And to do that, click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your Google account and click to remove. Then confirm your action by tap to remove account again. Are you sure? Tap to OK. If you use some unlock protect methods, you could use them. After that, we could see that we just successfully logged out from the Google account, so let's go back to the application, and here we can see that in app we also successfully logged out from Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.